It's the easiest long-stay visa for British and Americans. Hey there, fellow wanderers and digital explorers. Ready to embark on an adventure that's as exciting as it is liberating? Imagine waking up to the sound of waves crashing on the shore while sipping your morning coffee with a view of a new cityscape. If that's the kind of life you've been dreaming of, then stay tuned because we're about to dive into a world of possibilities, all from the heart of Mexico. But here's the kicker. We're not just talking about your regular old trip. We're talking about taking your work with you and becoming a true nomad of the digital age. Now, you might be wondering, but how do I make this dream a reality? Well, it's all about that golden ticket, the Mexican Digital Nomad Visa. This little gem allows you to plant your feet in Mexico for an extended period while you continue to rock your online hustle. So, what's the scoop on this visa, you ask? Here's the deal. You'll need to head on over to the nearest Mexican consulate with a heart full of wanderlust and some financial backup. They want to see that you're ready to take on this adventure responsibly. Now, about that financial proof, you have two options. First, you can show an average annual bank balance of around $62,000. Or, if you've been raking in the digital dollars, having a monthly income or pension of over $3,700 for the past month. So there you have it, folks. The gateway to becoming a digital nomad in Mexico. Stick around as we dive deeper into the tips, tricks, and incredible experiences waiting for you in this beautiful country. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell to join us on this exciting journey. Until next time, keep exploring and keep living the digital nomad dream.